Pizza. How can I help you?
Yeah, hi, I'd like to place an order for delivery.
Sure thing. Can I get your telephone number with area code and address, please?
Yeah, my number is 416-636-6010, and my address is 82 St. Regis Crescent North.
Okay, just to confirm, your number is 416-636-6010, and the address is 82 St. Regis Crescent North. Is this correct?
Yes.
Okay, good. So what can we get for you today?
Okay, I'd like to order a large pizza well done with extra cheese, pepperoni, green pepper, onion, tomato, bacon, and mushrooms.
Okay, that's a large pizza well done with extra cheese, a pepperoni, green pepper, onions, tomato, bacon, and mushroom. Is this correct?
Yes.
Would you like any drinks with this order?
Yeah, sure. Give me 2 Cokes, 1 Sprite, and 1 Orange.
Sorry, we don't carry Sprite.
What do you carry?
We have a Coke, Pepsi, ginger ale, Mountain Dew, and iced tea.
Okay, give me 1 ginger ale.
Sure, so that's the 2 Coke, 1 ginger ale, and 1 orange, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, the total will come to $26.75, taxes included. Would that be cash or charge?
Charge.
Visa or MasterCard?
Visa.
Okay, I need the name of the cardholder, card number, and expiry date.
Sure, it's Poptech. Card number is 1234-678910. Expiry date is 0106.
Okay, cardholder's name is Poptech. Card number is 1234-678910. Expiry date of the card is 0106, and it's a Visa. Is this correct?
Yes.
Okay, your pizza will be delivered in 45 minutes. Thank you for calling Luigi's Pizza and enjoy.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. Bye-bye.